Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, with your product picks and preview for campaign 26 of 2018. And we are kind of closing out the holiday season here, and we've got a lot of great things for the kids this time. But got just a few things to show you because Avon did a great thing this year, and a lot of our holiday products already came out in campaign 23 and 24. So that you can kind of plan ahead and already know what you want to get and get those things early before they sell out. So campaign 26 just has a few new things in it, including, like I said, a lot of great things for the kids. So first we have for all of our little dinosaur lovers, they have the one-piece suit and slippers and the dinosaur plush. So you can go all completely dinosaur themed. Then we have the dinosaur hats and gloves, the little keychain, or they can hang it from their bag. It's like a little backpack charm. And the projection watch. This is a cute little watch that projects 10 different pictures on the wall or the ceiling. And of course, our dinosaur version of our soapy slime, which of course the kids absolutely love at bath time. They can take that soapy slime, have a little bit of messy fun, and still get clean. But my favorite of the little dinosaur things, and this, like I know a few adults that need this. He's a cute little dinosaur. What do we actually call him? We just call him a dinosaur squishy, and he is very squishy. So on the one hand, he makes a great little fun, cute, adorable stress ball because, just squeezing the stress ball kind of helps. But then you get to look at this little guy, and how did you not smile when you look at this? He's just so cute that I actually feel bad squishing him. So just a cute little fun thing for the kids and for the grown-ups in your dinosaur-loving grown-ups in your life who, just need a little something to make them smile from time to time. And then, in addition to dinosaurs, because we're kind of going, I don't know if this was intentional, we kind of went with a mythical creature theme this year. So then we also have our unicorn themed products. So we have, again, the onesie and the slippers and the unicorn plush that are all just absolutely adorable. Then we have, again, the hat and gloves, so they can kind of go unicorn themed, and the unicorn soapy slime, so they still have that. A couple of jewelry items. We've got a little ballerina and a little unicorn necklace in there, and the cute little unicorn headband because everybody wants to be a unicorn. Again, another of the backpack charms and the projection watches. And then both the dinosaur and the unicorn also have cute little pouches. So these are great, for the kids. These would be great for their pencils, their crayons, maybe a little Lego on the go set. They could fill this up with a supply of Legos that they can take on the go. Nice little, cute little pouch. It's kind of a vinyl pouch with the picture printed on, good size on the inside. For the grown-ups, again, if you like dinosaurs or unicorns, this makes a great, like a little makeup bag, great for holding like your power cords and things, especially when you travel. You got to put all those plugs and cords together when you travel. I personally love to keep my purse organized and neat, make it easy to find things by putting all of those little things that you have in your purse in little, pouches and compartments. So I like these a lot for that, for kind of helping to compartmentalize and organize my purse. So again, lots and lots of fabulous things for kids. We have the JoJo doll from the Nickelodeon show and Jack Jack from Incredibles 2. And Jack Jack is animated. He moves and his eyes light up. Let's see. Eyes light up. He walks and waves his arms up and down and says 5 different baby sounds. So just super, super cute. And with his little raccoon slippers, just adorable. And so that's what we have added for the kids. Great for, stocking stuffers, gifts under the tree. Great for, if you're doing like an angel tree type donation or like doing donations for, kids that don't have as much as the holidays. These would be great things to get for that because, dinosaurs and unicorns are kind of universal. So great, great options for that. The other new thing that we added this campaign, something new, is we have our Representative Style series. This was an absolutely fabulous idea. I really love this. We had 4 actual representatives who went to New York and helped to design jewelry collections. So there's 4 different collections. We have Felita's collection here, which is all kind of the classic emeralds and silver tone there. We have Julia's collection, which, if I remember correctly, because all 4 of the representatives, there was stories on them at our national convention in July, and if I remember correctly, it was Julia's that was based on an old Avon jewelry piece of her grandmother's. It was an old necklace of her grandmother's that she had that she really loved, and so she wanted to base her collection on that design, and it turns out it was an Avon necklace, so it kind of came full circle there for that. Then we have, let's see, I'm going to skip Christine's for a moment. Then we have Lustella's collection, which is very kind of Art Deco with the black and white look and the style, especially on this beautiful kind of Art Deco collar necklace there. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. And then the collection that I decided to get to have in person to show was Christine's collection. And I really like Christine's collection. It's a great collection for everyday wear. So we have the sentiment pendant, and it flips. It's always got to get just the right angle so you can see how much it sparkles there. And then this center part spins, and in the silver tone here, the center part says believe. And we were trying to do this on it. There we go. It says believe. And then there is also a gold tone set, and that says faith on the back. So it's the same design on the front. Actually, in the gold tone, the design of the stones actually stands out a little bit more. They don't blend in quite the same as they do with the silver. But I really like the way it sparkles on the silver, which you can see, by the way. It's hard to get a good picture in the light there. There we go. And it is a very long chain. We always like to highlight the long chains because we do have, I know lots of folks that for various reasons cannot manipulate the lobster claws easily. And we all know it's kind of hard to do that behind our neck. But it does have a 3-inch extender so that you can adjust the length. And it is a nice long, and of course it's not really going to show on my sweater because it kind of blends in with the motif on my sweater there, but nice long, and again, you've got the adjuster so you can bring it up a little bit there as well. But we always like those long necklaces that you can put just over the head there. Then we have the, what is the name of the bracelet? The reversible sentiment bracelet. Same idea. You've got the silver, this is the silver tone, so you've got the paved side there, and then when you flip it over, the silver tone says family, and the gold tone says faith. Turn that kind of, make sure I got it up right. There we go. So you can see the font there on that. And it's a kind of a double strand, and then on the back it's got the little extender so you can adjust the length of the bracelet there. And then kind of what the thing that really sort of drew me to this collection was just the idea that, you can flip the pieces, but also there's an interchangeable watch set. So you've got this beautiful silver mesh band watch with a mother of pearl face and really easy to read numbers, nice good size on the numbers there. But then you have 3 different bezels to choose from. And let me pop this out, make it a little easier to work with. I didn't pull the set off the card there, but you just twist the bezel, it unscrews. So you can take off, this one has the ring of stones around the outside. You can switch that for the gold or the silver, and it just screws right back on. So you can take the same watch and wear it with many different outfits because you can customize the look of the watch by switching out the bezel. And I didn't get that on straight. So there we go. It's one of those things that I maybe should just take my glasses off so I can see, but it looks like I got it straight. All right, so there we go. So that's the interchangeable watch set. So that was the new things in Campaign 26 that I wanted to highlight. Again, we have tons of the holiday gift items still in the brochure. Remember, all of our holiday items are while supplies last, so you'll want to get those soon if you see something you like. Especially our holiday decor items. Those are already going kind of fast because they've been around since Campaign 23 already. And then, of course, every campaign, you know, we're going to have a fabulous A box. And this is only $10 with any $40 purchase from Campaign 26. You have the travel size haiku perfume, the nourishing mascara, and I believe that's a nourishing lipstick as well. Let's see, no, just a regular True Color lipstick in Cherry Jubilee, which is one of our top selling colors, and our True Color Glimmer Sticks in Blackest Black, which of course is always a great go-to for your liner. And how cute is that box? I actually have one customer that she's stocking up on the A boxes, actually so she can use the A boxes to wrap gifts. So she's not necessarily giving the contents of the box, but she's using the box as gift wrap. So she's been getting those throughout the holiday campaigns. So that is actually all I have for you this campaign. I know it was a short and sweet one. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.